Hi everyone, so sorry to disappoint you, I'm not the first Adam today. Let's start because I want you to focus because there's a very big shift that's happening currently in the marketplace that will affect many people, probably not in this room, but people that you guys work with. Now, this is John, Ian, Jan, call him whatever you want, and he's an average office employee. What he does is, for some reason, 50% of what he does on the computer is not creative things that he should be doing, but these are things like that. So we've got some weird spreadsheet in the Excel, we've got some forms he needs to fill out, anything that a person with no brain could do. And now, why is he doing that? And this is the problem we're solving, and on average, a person in the office has about 45% of these activities. So just think about the potential it creates. It's about 20 hours a week that can be used somewhere else. Now, so what kind of things we can automate for John and for you as well? Data entering, generating reports, integration of things that are normally difficult. So let's say we have an Excel spreadsheet, and normally John would have to copy data to an email, and he has to do this process maybe 100 times a day. This process maybe takes 2-3 minutes, but we are able to automate it, and thanks to that, he's able to do what he's good at. Solving problems, talking with clients, doing things he should be doing for the money that he gets. Okay, so what are the main benefits? Obviously, cost, efficiency. The reason we usually dislike our job is because we're doing things that are repeatable, boring, and everyone else could do it. I'm not sure if you guys have, you probably never had such a situation in your life. But anyway, and also it reduces human error, which is usually the case because we humans need coffee breaks and lunch breaks and all that weird stuff. Anyway, what's the competition on our market? The whole industry is called robotic process automation. We have 3 vendors. Currently we're based in London, in the UK. We're originally from Poland. Pozdrawiam wszystkich Polaków. And what's the difference? Well, the big vendors, they have very robust systems, which means they can do everything, but if you need a bespoke solution, they struggle. And this is where we are very agile, and we are able to use functions where other companies can't really go into. So, for example, it's like a difference between a bespoke written website and a website that you buy from a template. If you need a bespoke solution, we are much more competitive. And now, who do we work with at the moment? So, back in the UK, we're in conversation, we haven't closed deals, but we're in conversation with EY, with AXA, you might have heard, some of you, of these small companies. And now, our team, we have 6 people at the moment. What we're looking for partners in Germany, and we're also looking for potential clients on this market as we like to enter it in general.
Yeah, the time is up. Thanks. So we're not So any questions? Any questions from public?
And also invite my colleague if he wants to take any questions. At least Patrick from Giant as well. So it's not just me.
Who can set up the automation?
Sorry?
Who can set up the automation? Such as the employee, which was used to do the task before?
Thanks for the question.
US professional services?
So, the way it works, we have a robot programmer who writes the program. So we have our own language that we've developed, which is a simplified, kind of like a script language, to make it accessible even for non-technical users. So the vision is to scale up our business, that people can learn the software themselves. And because of that, we don't have to implement it. But for the moment, we are going to hold it.
But who's in charge? Does it have like one specialized person that goes the jobs, or is it like really the employee who was used to do the task?
So how we always do it, we basically sit next to the employee and we just ask him, Joe, tell us what are you doing currently, what are you doing everything on a daily basis. We can either record it or with big companies such as Line or AXA. They usually have a written procedures how to do it, so we can write the robots on the procedures or on the basics, what is he doing, what we record.
Thank you.
Any other questions?
Don't be so shy.
Yeah, there's a question. How do you handle the exceptions in the process? Because humans can easily do it, but if you automate it, and it's something unusual.
Yeah, very good question. How do we do exceptions? We call it also like macros on steroids. So our model has got this option where we can do exceptions. It doesn't matter if it will be 100 ways, 1,000 ways, we always can do the exception. We just program it. We just program it in our easy script, which is the
There's also a second option where you can do partial automation. So let's say you have to authorize some of the, if you're an accountant and some of the data is too complicated, we can automate 95% of the process, still saving about 90% of the time that's normally used for that.
Okay. Thank you.